All right, boys and girls, we're going to go over the DRR for this week. If your DRR packet was the same as mine, there was a mistake when it was printed. So we are missing Monday's DRR. Okay, so there was only the DRR there was a repeat DRR from last week, but then there should be a DRR for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So I'm going to go over those three today. So, Tuesdays. Which word is an antonym of the word boastful? So remember, antonym means opposite. Okay, so which one of these words would mean the opposite of boastful? You should have said humble. Number 2, what does the underlined portion of the sentence show? My controller ran out of batteries and then my game didn't save. So that is the effect. It was because the controller ran out of batteries that the game didn't save. So that was the effect of something. Number 3, it says, in which word does the suffix ed mean the same as in wanted? So you'll notice in wanted, it's the word want, and then it adds the suffix. So all of these words end in ed, but needed is the only one where it has a word, then adds ed just as a suffix. Okay, so that's D. Next asks us to label fact or opinion. All dogs are very easy to train. That would be an opinion. Very easy, that's someone's opinion. Service dogs help people with disabilities. Okay, that is a fact because service dogs are trained to help people with disabilities. Some dogs work for the police. That's a fact. Okay, some dogs do work for the police. There's nothing we can argue with about that. The last one says having a dog is too much work. So in this person's opinion, it's too much work to have a dog. All right, let's look at question number 5 here. So you would have read this paragraph and then it just asks what happened just before the bark was stripped. So this requires you to go back and double check in what order something happened. Okay, and you should have said B. The logs are sent to the sawmill. The next question is asking about a word, and it's kind of a word that you maybe haven't heard before. The word is rigorous, but if you read this whole sentence or this whole little paragraph, you can figure out, okay, that the word rigorous means difficult, okay? Michael knew that the advanced studies program was difficult. It would require a great deal of reading and homework. Still, he was up for the challenge. So there's all these clues that tell you that rigorous would not necessarily be easy, that it would in fact be kind of hard. Okay. All right, let's look at let's look at Wednesdays. All right, so Wednesday's DRR, same types of problems. This time we're looking for a synonym for question number 1. Okay, synonym means the same. So synonym for the word leap is jump. Number 2, what does the underlined portion of the sentence show? Olivia practiced her recorder every night. As a result, she was picked to perform. So it was because she practiced that she was performing a solo. So the cause is that part. Number 3, again, which sentence has ly just like it does in proudly? So it's a word plus the ly, okay? And the answer should be badly. Okay, it's the word bad plus the ly. All right, we're looking at some more facts and opinions here. Dolphins are the cutest ocean animals. Cutest? That's an opinion. Sharks do not have bones in their bodies. That's something that can be proven or disproven. That is a fact. Swimming with sharks is really fun. Not in my opinion. That's an opinion. And dolphins are believed to be intelligent animals. So this is just stating a fact that people believe that dolphins are intelligent. It's a fact, even though that word believe, some people might think, oh, that's an opinion, but you can prove that people believe dolphins are intelligent animals. All right, moving down to question 5 and 6, you would have read this paragraph, and you should have said C was your answer. They did that right before riding home. And then for number 6, it says, after the war was over, the soldiers liberated all of the prisoners, allowing them to return to their families. So liberated means to be freed, right? They were prisoners, they were freed, and then they could go home, okay? All right, let's look at Thursday's DRR for May 7th. Okay, looking at an antonym, which means opposite of love. What's the antonym of love? Hate. Number 2, if you don't drink enough water, you can get a headache. That would be the effect because you didn't drink enough water. That's why you're getting a headache. Number 3, we're looking for Y as a suffix, just like it's in dirty. And the answer should be sandy, because it's the word sand plus the suffix Y. This word, friendly, has a Y, but the suffix is actually ly. It's the word friend plus the suffix ly. Okay, so sandy is the answer for that one. We're looking at some facts and opinions. There are 4 seasons in Virginia. That is true. That is a fact, something that can be proven. Summer is the best season. That's an opinion. Ice cream is made with milk, cream, and sugar. That's something that can be proven. That is how ice cream can be made. Chocolate is the grossest ice cream flavor. That is Miss Sutton's opinion. I don't really like chocolate at all. Okay, that's an opinion. All right, number 5. What happened just before they packed up their picnic lunch? You should have seen that they saw a trail of ants heading for their food. And then the last one, we're looking at the word distinct. Being several inches taller than the other players gave Kobe a distinct advantage during the basketball game. Okay? And it wouldn't be a small advantage because 7 inches is a lot. It wouldn't be unnoticeable, but it would be a definite advantage. Distinct means definite. All right, that is our DRR for this week. Hopefully you checked your answers and got them all correct.